the first few years of marriage feel no less than a chapter from a fairy tale. Lovemaking, especially, feels amazing, with the man you've chosen ready to make you feel like you're in the seventh heaven, with butterflies dwelling in the body. But with the passage of time, the spark somewhat fades and what was once exhilarating and intense becomes placid. And do you know why? Because of vaginal looseness. Fortunately, there are some ways you can make your vagina tighter. Home's remedies to tighten your vagina. There are several herbs and kitchen ingredients that can help you tighten your vagina naturally, and the best part is that they don't have any side effects. Below are some of the home remedies to tighten your vagina. Pueraria mirifica. Pueraria mirifica speeds up the process of genital tissue renewal, thereby giving you tighter vagina. In addition to that, Pueraria mirifica also restores the estrogen levels to correct hormonal imbalances. All you need to do is grind the herb to get a powder-like form and apply to your private part while bathing. Alum powder. Alum powder can also be used for vaginal tightening, but the effect will be temporary. Mix 2 teaspoons of alum powder with water and apply on the vagina walls. Leave it for 10 minutes and wash it off. Gooseberry. One of the least expected ingredients that can help you tighten your vagina naturally is a gooseberry. It restores the elasticity of the vagina, making it tighter. Boil some gooseberries in water for 20 minutes, strain and transfer in a bottle. Apply this solution to your vagina every day before taking a bath. Aloe vera. The astringent properties of aloe vera prevent prolapse and tighten your vagina. It also contains nutrients like vitamin A, C, choline, folic acid, calcium, sodium, zinc, and magnesium, which contribute to vaginal tightness. All you need to do is squeeze the gel from aloe vera leaf and douse it in using your finger. Follow this method at least thrice a day to see results. Apart from strengthening the vagina, aloe vera will also eliminate irritation and dryness. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.